Hello guys, this is question 21. Okay, so um like I said, we're touching base with some of the questions that we've shared so that we can see how to solve them. So this is still under log. Okay, so like I said, analyze first. All these are base 9, log base 9, log base 9, log base 9. Okay, so what we just need to do is just to apply our law of what? Logarithm. It's as simple as that. Apply our law of what? Of logarithm. So from here, we can say that, okay, this is, we have solution. Okay, that's solution. So this is something as saying log 3 base 9 minus log 3 raised to power 2 base 9, okay, plus log 243 base 9. Okay, so that is simple. Okay, log 3 base 9 minus 2 log 3 base 9, that's minus log 3 raised to power 2 base 9, taking the 2 at the back of the log to the power of that number, which is the number here is 3, then plus log 243 base what? Base 9. So here, I can take one base. Okay, it's as simple as that. I can take one base and do the needful for for the um for the addition law and what? And subtraction law. It's as simple as that. So it means that at the end of the day, what do I need to do here? I can say, or if I want to do it, I can do it this way too. Let me do it this way. You have log 3, 3 raised to power 2. Okay, then you also have log 3 raised to power 2, then 3 raised to power 2, that is base 9. I'm turning it to, base 3. I wanted to cancel out because I want log 3 number and the base to be the same thing. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. So this is the same thing as saying log. So what do I do? 243. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3 is what? That's like, if I'm not mistaken, that's going to be 80. Okay, let me confirm that it's 81. Okay, so let me see how that one can give me 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So 27 times 3, 7 times 3, 21. Carry 2, 3 times 2, 6, that's 81. Okay, now 81 times another 3. 81 times another 3, that's 3. 8 times 3, that's 243. So it means 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3, 81. 81 times 3, that is what? 243. So instead of me writing 243, I will write 3 raised to power what? 5. It's as simple as that. 3 raised to power 5. This one is also 3 raised to power 2. Okay, so it's very simple. So don't forget, power of the base, power of the base, power of the base. Like I've also mentioned, power of the base here, what will it give us? So the power of the base, it gives us half, as in we take it to the back of the log. If you're taking it to the back of the log, it will be inverse. So start with 1 over 2 log 3 base 3. This is the power of the base. This is the power on the base. It's coming to the back of the log. Okay, that's half. Then you can also have here 2. 2 will come to the back. This 2 is coming to the back of the log, which is still the question. Then this half is also coming to the back of the log, which is the inverse. So log 3 base 3, power of the base. Any power on the base, when coming back to the back of the log, when coming to the back of the log, it will be inverse, okay, of that number. So the same thing applies here. 5. Okay, you have 5. You have 5 here times half log 3 base what? Base 3. So you can see that I've been able to achieve the same number to what? To the base number. Okay, I have log 3 to base 3. I have log 3 to base 3. I have log 3 to base 3 to give me what? 1 at the end of the day. So to give me 1 at the end of the day. So now log 3 base 3 will give me 1. So this will give me, this will be equals to, this will be equals to half. Okay, then 2 will cancel 2 here. That will be minus what? Minus 1. Log 3 to base 3 is what? 1. Okay, plus that's 5 over what? Over 2. Log 3 to base 3 is equals to what? 1. You can see that I've been able to simplify it, cancel all the log, because in the law of logarithm, when the number is same thing as the base is what? 1. And from here, 2 come back to the back of the log, then the power of the base will turn to the inverse of that power. And the power here is 2. That's 2 times 1 over 2. So 2 already cancel 2 to give us what? 1. So this one is simple. All I just need to do is just to find LCM. Okay, it's as simple as that. I'll find what? I'll find LCM. That's how to quickly get the value of exactly what you want. I'll just find LCM. So when you find LCM here, so what's the LCM here? This is 1 over 1, of course. So this is the LCM here is what? Is 2. Okay, the LCM is 2. 2 into 1. Meaning of 2 into is that 2 divided by 2 will give us what? 1. Okay, 1 times 1, which is the numerator, is still what? 1. Okay, the same thing applies here. 2 divided by 1 is what? 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2. Don't forget the minus here. And I've told you, anything on the right hand side is the owner of the what? Of the sign. So the owner of this sign is this what? 1. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2. Okay, the same thing applies here. 2 into is what? 1. That is 2 divided by 2. That's the meaning. So the result times the numerator, which is 5. So 1 times 5 is what? 5. It's as simple as that. So what do we now do here? So what we do here is that we try to we had, then we do our normal subtraction. If we say 1 minus 2 is what? 1 minus 2 is what? That's minus 1. Minus 1 plus 5, that is what? 4. So it's as simple as that. At the end of the day, we get what? 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. I have 2 naira. I have 1 naira. And somebody is requesting for 2 naira. So it means I'm going to be in debit of 1 naira. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4. You can press your calculator. Okay. If you press your calculator, you will get the answer of exactly what I'm saying here. So, or let's apply board mass. Board mass. Okay, division, multiplication, there's no multiplication here. Addition comes first. So if addition is coming first, what do? So minus 2 plus 5 will give you what? Will give you 3. Minus 2 plus 5 will give you what? Plus 3. So 3 plus 1 will give you what? 4. You can press your calculator, you will still get the same answer. Okay, you will get the same what? The same answer. So this is simple as 4 over 2. So 4 divided by 2. So then 4 divided by 2, you will get your what? Your 2. 2 here 1, 2 here what? 2. It's as simple as that. Either you apply board mass or you do it directly. 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 5 will still give you 4. So it's as simple as that. It's very, very straightforward. So all you just need to do is just to ensure that you apply the law of logarithm. Logarithm, like in this case, logarithm of the same logarithm to its own base, okay, which is log 3 base 3 is equals to 1. Log 4 base 4 is equals to 1. Log 5 base 5 is equals to 1. Log 10, which is the general log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. Okay, it's as simple as that. So the answer is equals to what? Is equals to 2. Continue to like, continue to comment, continue to share, and also you can share your observation, then we can also look at it together. So thank you very much. Cheers.